What do you think it is? Let's take a look. And how do we open it up?
I called dibs on it first. No, we don't get it. I know I called dibs on it first. Okay, now let's open it.
Hold on. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Hey guys, let's open this up and look.
Open it. I already called first dibs. Huh? No, it's not. I already called first dibs on it.
Open.
It's over here. Hey! But in middle. It's this side. Oh! Such a joker!
It's a keyboard!
What is it?
Hey, Keith!
It's a keyboard.
What do you do with that?
Jack and Dibs.